He's licking over the whole thing. What is that? What is that? Huh? See, boy, that's something I haven't had before.
Oh, boy.
Yeah. That's something I have never had. Look at him, he licked the whole icing off. So that's the best.
That's the best
That's
part.
the best part. He gave him his cake. Yeah, I don't know what that green stuff is, but it sure is good.
He's eating some of those little things.
That's good. Yeah. Boy. Boy, that is good. He said, that's the best thing I've ever had.
Now he's trying to chew on it.
Uh-huh. Can't get a hold of it, can he? What's it made out of?
I have no idea.
Say, well, I'm getting to it now. He's chewed some of it out, yeah. Now,
There you go.
now, and now get down to the business. Yeah. Yeah.
Looks like gingerbread.
Yeah, it looks like that brown bread you get at Outback.
He's doing his best to get into it.
Yeah, he's chewing off the top of it. He's done pretty good. Look at that.
I don't know how much of it he ought to eat.
So, well, it's sure something
Now he's
different.
getting some bites.
Yeah. So it is different. Whatever it is, he likes it. Look at his tail, all down. So, well, that is pretty, he's done pretty good on that.
Yes.
He's gone off.